people, Coupon Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did complete my $10 bonus, yes, and my midweek money maker. Yeah, so let's jump into this haul, guys. The first product I got was a Latundella vegetable oil. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce it. All right, there it is right there. This is actually not an Ibotta rebate, but it's on Shopkick, guys. So it's priced $4.48 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.48 in store, but there is $3.40 coming back from Shopkick for scan in-store kicks and uploading your receipt for a final cost of $1.08. I think that was a great deal for some oil, guys. It says that it can take high heat. It's a good source of omega-3 and it's soy-free, guys. Oh, I would definitely be doing that again if that resets on Shopkick. Next rebate was on the Dial Clean and Gentle, okay? These were priced $3.98 in my Walmart. I purchased two for a total of $7.96. Now, I did use the $3 coupon that's expected in this coming Sunday, 5 to save, okay? That coupon is gonna say invalid because I'm actually using the coupon early, okay? Now, if your cashier wants to push it through, let them, okay? My cashier did, so it worked in my favor. Taking off $3, making my cost in the store $4.96. There is $1.50 Ibotta rebates coming back for a total of $3 coming back, making the final cost $1.96 for the 2 body wash. She pushed them through, and I didn't tell her to. She did it on her own, okay? Next rebate, guys, was on my Palmolive spray away. Priced $3.98 in my Walmart, and just so happened in this Walmart they had the $1 hang tag that's hanging around the neck of the product. I was super excited. I was willing to buy it without having the 25-cent printable coupon from Palmolive. Okay, so the $1 coupon dropped my cost in store to $2.98. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, and uploading your receipt and scanning in store for Shopkick is going to give you back 90 cents, okay? Making the final cost $1.08. I think that was great. So in the Google document, in the description box of the video, I still have that 25-cent one linked if you want to go on Palmolive and print the 25-cent one, okay? Next rebate, guys. Reset again. You know, it's the Dynasty, NBA Dynasty Oreos. It keeps resetting for me. It's a BOGO rebates. You've got to purchase the 2. They're priced $3.67 for a total of $7.34. I didn't have a coupon. I had to pay $7.34 in store, but it gives me back the $3.67, making the final cost $3.67 for the 2 packs. I have so many Oreos now, so I'm going to have enough to give all 3 of my daughters some Oreos, and my sister Mary Ann, I will be giving her Oreos tomorrow. The next rebate, guys, had to do my snack pack again of the pudding. Priced only $1. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1 in store. My rebate is for 25 cents, making the final cost 75 cents. Great rebate to do if you're trying to get your bonus. Yeah. Next rebate, I'm giving away pancake mix too. The Pancake, the Betty Crocker 32 ounce of the pancake mix is priced $2.98 in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $2.98 in store. My Ibotta rebate is still at 75 cents, and scanning in store and uploading the receipt for Shopkick is giving me back $1.16, making the final cost only $1.07, which is an amazing deal for this large bag of pancake mix, guys. All we're doing is redeeming and buying it, redeeming and buying it. I mean, you can't beat this deal. It seems to me Shopkick is really an easy way for you to be able to have money to coupon with, because you're able to accumulate your money so quickly as long as they're processing the receipts, okay? Next rebate I decided to do was a Shopkick deal. The Goody hairpins, had to do it again. They're priced 94 cents in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid 94 cents in store. Now my scan in store kicks actually reset. So when I scan in store and upload the receipt, it's going to give you back a total of 96 cents. So that makes them be free and a 2-cent money maker. I think that's great, a great deal. And I went to another Walmart and I found my Aveeno baby wipes. Okay. I love these things. Okay, I was on the hunt for these again. There is not a Shopkick or Ibotta rebate. It's just a good deal, guys. They're priced $3.48 in my Walmart. I had that $2 internet printable from coupons.com, making them only be $1.48 a pack. You can't beat that for some baby wipes, okay? Yes. And I did find a product because I was looking for the Icy Hot. Found my Icy Hot coupon. The darn rebate is gone. I'm just like, really? So then I found another product and I was gonna get it. Then I changed my mind, but I said I'll take pictures so I could show you guys in case you would like to get it. I think it's a pretty good amount for the rebate, $3.75. So, you know, that's a product that you could get. I didn't look online to see if there was a coupon available for that product. I may do that. Let's talk about the money. Total of everything was $35.64. That did include my Aveeno baby wipes, as I did put them on the Google document. Okay. Now, I had $8 in coupons. I used 2 $5 Shopkick gift cards to pay for this transaction. That dropped my cost in store to $17.64. Now, from Ibotta, I got back $8.67 in rebates. I did accomplish my Seeing Green $10 bonus for doing 42 rebates, and I accomplished my $5 midweek money maker for doing 15 rebates. Yes, now what I expect to get back from Shopkick is $5.90, making the grand total of everything be free and a $11.93 money maker. Amazing. I love when they do the large $10 bonuses because it always boosts you up so you can have a money maker, guys. So of course there's going to be quite a bit that's going to go in the saving pot for the Ibotta Savings Challenge, because I said I was doing 30%. All right, guys, that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully it will help you accomplish your Seeing Green bonus. If you have not already done it, my daughter Amity is a Ibotta user now, and she actually did her bonus before I finished mine. Ain't that something? All right, guys, if you like this video and it was helpful for you, would you please give Coupon and Crystal a thumbs up? If you're not already a member and subscribe to this channel, be a member of the Coupon crew. Be a lovely person. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications, so that way you will not miss any posts that I make, whether it be in the community tab or a new video. Okay? Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.